there, friends. Nibs again. Out in the backyard doing a little bit of plinking today. A little bit of goofing around out here in the backyard, and brought a couple guns out. We've been stretching them out a little bit further than normal, and this is going to be a bit of the same. But what we have here, you guys have seen a lot of this on the channel lately, is my Crosman 1701P, the Silhouette PCP gun. And we're going to be stretching this guy out to 15 yards. Got 15 paces. Got the dogs out here with me. Fred's over there barking at the neighbor. But I'm going to be testing out a couple different pellets. I've got some Rifle Premium. These are the Rifle Premium Heavies. These are 8.18 grain wad cutter profile. And then I've got my Diablo Air Arms Diablo Fields. And those ones are an 8.4 grain pellet. Got a couple splatter bursts on a piece of paper down at 15 yards, 15 paces. And let's go ahead and see what we can do. We'll do the Rifle Premiums first. Do a 5-shot group. Let's see what we can do. I didn't check zero with these particular pellets, so it might not be right on the money. Might be a little high, a little low, but like I'm pretty low on. But we'll just go for the group. See where the two have hit now. Looks like one ragged hole so far. Guess I should have checked my zero before I started up. Really didn't want to change it because I'm mostly going to be shooting this thing indoors at 7 yards offhand, plinking type of thing. But I wanted to see what we could do at a longer distance here. Looks like one ragged hole. Let's go ahead and try out some of these Air Arms pellets. Go to the next splatter burst up above that one. Oh, there's a blackbird. Oh, they're tempting me. Again, kind of low. More interested in what the grouping is, though. Kind of bad the time of day it is. The sun's right coming up over the trees here, and I'll have to go grab that. But it looks like the Rifle Premiums definitely did a much better job at this distance. One more and then I'll go grab that. We'll see what we did. This is such a fun gun though. Still got lots of air. All right, let me go grab that target. So I love the trigger on this so much. I've actually found and ordered a couple of these. You can buy this entire grip frame from Crosman or other vendors with all of the parts populated on it already. The part number, if I remember right, is 2220-103. So if you search for that, it actually shows up on the Crosman website as out of stock, but I know that's a lie. So, but anyway, let me go grab that target and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, well, I am back, and just like I thought, the Rifle Premium wad cutters really did an excellent job. Basically one big ragged hole, but the air arms had a couple of flyers. I'm not sure what was going on there, but definitely was aiming consistently, so that's why I was doing it on a rest and not offhand, so we could take me out of the equation as much as possible. But that's why we do this kind of testing, so we can see what works and what doesn't work. Those Rifle Premiums have always been good pellets in a lot of my guns, so I really kind of expected they would do really well. I might try this off camera with the Meisterkugels and see what we can do as well. But that's some pretty good results right there. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.